Glory be to God in the highest. Messages from the heavenly throne of God, delivered by our Father, Apostle Paul Okikijesu, on January 3rd, 2024. It should be noted that we intentionally delay these messages. However, the recipients have received their messages concerning America. Severe storms in several cities or states. Thus says the Lord. Severe storms will plague 7 cities or states, namely Washington, New Jersey, Los Angeles, Dallas, Chicago, Atlanta, New York, and all the cities or states near New York. All these aforementioned cities or states need adequate security during this period. Prayer for United States of America must not cease. Thus says the Lord, people should not stop praying for America because a certain severe storm will happen that will shake the aforementioned locations. Behold, the firmament will change. So inform the residents of these cities or states to be prayerful from February 2024 until April 2024. Thus says the Lord, the aforementioned cities or states need prayer and sufficient security from February 4th, 2024 until April 27, 2024. Please always check back at our YouTube channel for more prophecies.